Want to know how to filter prospects by industry on Apollo.io and narrow down your search to find the perfect leads? In this quick Apollo.io guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to get the most out of the platform and find the prospects you're looking for. Stick around to the end because I've got an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. So, first things first, let's talk about why Apollo.io is such a powerful tool for filtering prospects. Apollo.io lets you build a targeted list by leveraging multiple filters: industry, job title, location, company size, and more. It's perfect for anyone who needs to find specific leads based on their business needs. But today, we're focusing on filtering by industry. This is especially useful if you want to target certain sectors, whether that's tech, healthcare, finance, or anything else. When you log into Apollo.io, head over to the Prospects tab. From there, you can start your search by industry. You'll see an option to choose an industry type, and this is where Apollo.io shines. It gives you access to thousands of companies and contacts across many sectors. Once you select your industry, the software automatically narrows your results, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for companies in healthcare, for example, simply type that in and see a list of businesses that are part of that sector. You'll notice that Apollo.io has a rich database, so you're not limited to a small pool of results. But what makes Apollo.io even better is the way it lets you refine your search further. After choosing your industry, you can apply additional filters. Maybe you're interested in businesses with over 500 employees, or you only want to target decision makers. Apollo.io lets you apply those filters in real time, so you get results that match exactly what you need. It's all about precision. With Apollo.io, you're not just throwing out a wide net. You're casting a laser-targeted one that pulls in leads who are most likely to convert. If you want to dive deeper, Apollo.io offers an intuitive interface that lets you see more details about each prospect. You can check out their company profile, see which tech stack they use, and even look at their employee directory. This helps you understand whether a prospect is a good fit before you even reach out. The more data you have, the smarter your outreach will be. Now, you're probably wondering how all this can help you in your marketing efforts. Well, Apollo.io integrates with CRM platforms, so once you've filtered your prospects by industry, you can push them straight into your pipeline. That means less manual work and more time spent on actual outreach and sales. Whether you're in B2B sales, marketing, or lead generation, Apollo.io makes it super easy to manage and convert prospects. One of the things I love about Apollo.io is its reporting feature. After filtering prospects by industry, you can track the results of your outreach campaigns in real time. This means you can see which industries are responding best to your efforts, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Apollo.io also lets you monitor how well your emails are doing and offers analytics on open rates, click rates, and more. So before I wrap up, remember that Apollo.io isn't just about finding prospects. It's about connecting with the right ones. And by filtering prospects by industry, you'll significantly improve your outreach efforts. And the best part? You can use Apollo.io completely free through the first link in the description below, where you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses. Yes, that means you can start using this incredible software without paying a dime right now. So go ahead and try it out and start targeting prospects more effectively today. Just make sure you use that exclusive link to get your extended free trial. That's all for today. If you want more actionable marketing tips, be sure to check out the next video.